everyone, I'm Lisa.
I'm Mark.
And this is Woody the Elf. Something very different this time from us two. We have been asked to join a collaboration with some other YouTubers. You will see the names scrolling across the top or in the top corner. It's a collaboration. We're going to be doing different topics every
Few weeks.
Yeah, a few weeks. Please head over to the other guys' channels and check out their videos as well. It's all a bit of tongue in cheek, it's easy for me to say, and a bit of fun during these horrible winter months. So this month's topic is no, it's not. 5 ways to survive Christmas / winter in your motorhome. And as you can see, my way of surviving would be bling it up. This is tip number 1. Bring Christmas into your motorhomes. Have some fun with it. I certainly do.
We've had everybody looking a bit strange, haven't we, today, while you've been doing all this?
Yeah, well, Mark's asking how he's going to drive around with this massive Christmas tree between us.
Prickle my neck a little bit. But people were looking through a window earlier. I'm thinking, what's going on here?
Well, they just thought we'd fetch Santa's grotto down, didn't they? But you've got to have a laugh. You've got to do it. It's bad enough being dark nights and dark mornings. So yeah, that's what I'd do. Bling up your van.
Get some decorations out. Get your tree out. You could even put a tree on the roof if you want.
Get your tree out.
Yeah.
Number 2 is get Betty some new shoes. As you've probably seen in a previous vlog, we've gone for the all-terrain wheels and tyres.
We used them. We had first-hand experience a couple of weeks ago, didn't we? We was out on a rally and it snowed quite bad. After that storm...
God, we're on Storm Barra at the minute, aren't we?
Arwen or something.
Arwen.
After that storm, it brought a load of cold weather down, didn't it? And we got quite a lot of snow where we are. And the approach to our drive, it's like a ski slope and it's dead steep. And we went down really slow, but we made it all right.
Made it.
So.
We were even contemplating sleeping in a pub car park and not coming home because it's that steep. So, but the tyres did as well. So
we actually tested them out first on the industrial estate down the road. It was about 3 inches snow and it was fine, wasn't it? So,
and we've also been on wet grass with it, haven't we? And she's got us out perfectly. So I'd recommend if you can.
Stretch to it.
Yeah, it's definitely a very good investment. Upgrade your tyres and wheels. And we got ours from Rogue Alloy. You'll probably see them down here somewhere. Can't recommend them enough. They're a brilliant company. So yeah, get over there and see those guys. Tip 3. Warm clothes. Make sure you're not taking on your travels shorts and t-shirts, swimming costumes. Declutter your van and get your woolies in there, your leggings, your onesies and your slippers. Love me slippers. Got Woody feet, haven't I?
Yeah. Woody. Feet.
Feet. Yeah, make sure you take plenty of warm stuff, guys, because it is getting cold out there. And you don't want to be going to on your travels with your ripped jeans on or your hot pants. Not a good look.
No, make sure you keep warm, plenty of warm clothes, fill your covers up with warm clothes, that's the best way. You
like your warm clothes, don't you? As you can see, Woody's got a full wardrobe. We're not the only ones that stay nice and warm. If you've got little doggies, make sure you've got plenty of clothes for them as well. Woody, show the people your outfit. There you go. And another quick change. As by magic, outfit number 3. Yeah, so there's not only us that have to stay warm, you've got to remember about your pets, especially in the motorhome, because it will drop cold on an evening while you're all snuggled up in warm. Our little friends get cold as well. So yeah, got to look after you, haven't we?
Yeah, keep warm, get your heating on, get your diesel heater on if you've got one.
Yeah, if you've got your diesel heater on, now's the time to be using them, guys. Becoming quite a popular subject on vlogs these days.
Another 6 months and we'll all be saying, God, it's roasting in my van. But for
now,
now,
I hope so.
Yeah, but for now, you know, you need to be warm, don't you? So we've been in the last couple of weekends, we've been away, it's been stormy, but we've been alright, it's been warm in here, hasn't it? So it's been cracking. So yeah, that's a real good tip, that one.
Tip number 4, fleecy bedding and throws. They're imperative in winter and just make you laugh a lot easier and a lot better at night time. 1, it makes you nice and comfy. 2, it keeps you lovely and warm. And 3, animals love it. and it calms them down.
Look, he's calmed down.
Yeah, he's calmed all down now, you see.
Snoozing.
He'll sleep all the way through up here now. And I don't put him on the duvet, I put him on a throw, which is easier to wash than the actual big massive duvet. So yeah, because it's not fair putting him down on the floor. She gets cold, doesn't it? Shivers.
Because it's heat rises, it gets cold down on the floor.
Yeah.
Doesn't it? So.
Get your treats, your popcorn, your crisps, shove your TV on, get your brew, climb into bed, keep warm, snuggles for two.
Or even get a Chinese.
No, not in bed.
You drop bits of rice all over everywhere.
Yeah.
And last but not least, tip number 5, if everything else fails, take yourself to the pub. And when you park next to the pub as close as that solves everything.
So guys, that's 4 ways how we'd survive Christmas stroke winter in our motorhome. There is lots of other ways, but we've only got a short period of time on this. And like I say, it's just a bit of fun.
Yeah.
Light-hearted fun. So
make sure you check out everybody else's vlogs who's also done this collaboration. Like we said, this is our first one, isn't it?
Yeah.
We don't really know what we're doing.
There's quite a few of us, so there's quite a lot of watching for you to do. So hope we keep you all entertained, and we'll probably see you on the next one.
Yeah, well, no doubt. And I think the next one we ought to do a theme of Chinese New Year. Be a good one, wouldn't it? Celebrating the Chinese, how to celebrate the Chinese New Year.
Someone come and save me, please. You'd have Chinese for Christmas Day dinner if you was. Oh God, I've said it now, haven't I?
Good idea, that.
No. So we'll see you next time, guys.
See you later.
Bye.